See, those are the real porters that just took over. Just have some change, like 20 or something. Very nice, fresh ship. Yeah. So here we are, room 608. Sophia's bed. Oh, this is just beautiful. I told you she's gonna like it. Okay, here we go. Mommy figured the right way to open this door. L'Occitan. Must be the hand soap for kiddos. Can you see that? Dropped off by the Didi at the port. Sheshe, bye bye. And we got our porters bringing our luggage to the ship. So just told our porters it's 11, Pier 11, and off we go. Ooh, oh my God, he's strong. He's carrying both of them. Wow, not bad. So we're going down to Pier 11, which is all the way down there, I guess. Oh, this is just amazing to see if I have some cash for those guys. I mean, this is big help. So much better than us carrying all the stuff. We're going down. Down there we see the number 11. This is where we have to go. So all good. Fee said she feels so bad now that he's actually carrying those things. I mean, you can roll them. We have rolls on it. But this is apparently how it works. How they do. All right. Here is our ship. The Century Oasis. There it is. Okay, so we're gonna spend the next 4 days, 3 nights on it. Cool. Oh my God, I'm excited now. Here we got our welcome, I guess. So let's see how this is gonna be. All right. So your service outstanding as always. Had to pay, of course, for our porters. They came on until here. Now we have new porters. I got my check-in number. The check-in is in the restaurant. So they all speak a little bit of English, so you get through, it's not a problem. Otherwise, you can always use the translator, as we do. So yeah, lesson learned. The guys that came to help us up there from the taxi, they're not working for the ship company, they're just trying to make some small cash. So you can just save that, roll your bags down to the check-in. Hi, ni hao. Thank you. So just roll it down yourself, and then the real porters take over here. So this was a bit unnecessary.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. Thank you very much.
Good Mandarin.
Thank you. So here we are. The first thing.
I actually saw you at the restaurant. Well, yesterday.
See, those are the real porters that just took over. So yeah, basically we didn't. Well, I wouldn't say we got scammed. This would be wrong. Those guys are also trying to earn a buck to make a living. So yeah, so be it. They don't have a fixed price. You just give them something. With me, they were very lucky, extremely lucky, because I had only 100 note. So I gave basically 51 each. It's okay. We're not gonna die from it. And they're going to put food on the table for their families, so I'm happy. All good. Right. Yeah, we follow the line. Yeah. And here is the security control. Right, there was security control, passport control with the picture taking. We had to pay a second time for porters now. So all in all, I had to pay 200, which is okay, not a big deal. Yeah. We do it, we learn. It's a boarding procedure, very nice. They put out carpets all over the place. So yeah, what I was saying is, if you do that, just have some change, like 20 or something. You're gonna pay twice each. So yeah, basically instead of 200, you can pay a bit less. But here we are, here's the entrance, let's go. Hello, thank you. Ni hao. Achtung, careful. Hello, how are you? Oh, yes. All right, couldn't say no to the towel. Here we are, wonderful ship. Thank you, ni hao. Into the elevator. Oh, look at that, this is nice. And then up to floor 2. 2? No? Let me press 2.
Thank you. Here.
Oh, here we are, getting out. Oh, what a nice ship. Wow. You have a look at that. Beautiful. Here we are. So first we check our luggages here. 1, 2,
D6.
1, 2, and 3. There it is. Perfect. So all here. Good. All right. Passports are collected. We'll just wait a second and we see what's going to happen. Very nice, fresh ship. Nice colors. Beautiful decor. So now we just wait. That's all we do. And see. Right. We are checked in. As we said, we booked we booked the suite, the family suite. So they give you the gold cards, the bling blings, and apparently we are VIP. I didn't know that either. Well, I mean, of course we're VIPs. We're always VIPs. This is what we do. No, but it's a nice surprise. So we have our own restaurants apparently, and so on and so on. So we're gonna dive in all the details later on. But right now, this is really no problem to check in. Here comes our lovely assistant Vinny again. Just one moment. So, safety regulations in China demand that the elevator can go only until floor 5. But we are on floor 6. And Sophia is trying to show me something. What do you think that might be? Yep, you're right. The gambling room for Sophia. Game room, or whatever you're going to call it. Okay, now I will have to pause the whole thing because I have to carry up the luggage now 1 flight of stairs. Ni hao. Come on, off we go. Got myself a new cameraman. What do we have? 604?
8.
You sure?
Yes, it's written on the paper.
Is it? Okay. So there was 4. Nice. So here we are, room 608. And in we go. Should we start with the bathroom? Bathroom. Here we go. Very nice. Oh, this is beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Oh my God. Look at all that. This is, wow. Nice shower. Okay. This is just perfect. Now, to the room. Let's see, here is, oh, I see already stuff here. Some amenities, water, coffee station. And here, my friends, is Sophia's bed. I hope she's gonna like it. I mean, I'm pretty sure she will like it. This is her corner. How cool is that? Then there's a little divider here to give some privacy. And here is Mommy and Daddy. Oh, this is just beautiful. Nice big screen here. And then we walk in. Of course, some seating. And here we have some work desk where we got a wine and some fruits, welcome fruits. And then we're gonna check out this here. Let's see. There's lots of warnings, a little balcony, 2 chairs. It's not big, but it's something. Did you hear the, did you hear, wait, I need to show you that. I told you she's gonna like it. Cool. Okay, the door slides open. Ooh, it's hot outside. So here we are on our balcony. Right now, still in Chongqing. Tonight we're gonna sail. Gonna have a last look at a beautiful Chongqing skyline by night. Whew, I'm gonna close the door again because it's really, really hot here. This is crazy. It's 36 degrees today as well. So we close the door and close the curtain. And the girls are taking pictures. They're enjoying. And Daddy is happy because Daddy apparently ordered something good again. My girls are happy. I'm happy. This is how simple that is. So nobody really knew what I had ordered until now. Look at their faces. Wonderful. So yeah, there we go. Here we have Sophia in her new little room. So this is basically the information we get. This is day 1, departure port, Chongqing. And well, at 6:30 is the dinner. Just a movie time before that. The embarkation briefing at 7:45. Sorry. And captain's welcome party we have been invited to. And at around 9 o'clock is also the sail away. So the captain's welcome party is of course on the sun deck. Perfect. Alright, this is the day 1, and then we have day 2 here. Early bird breakfast, Tai Chi morning exercise. Oh wow. What it opens 2 ways? I opened the wrong side. Okay, here we go. Mommy figured the right way to open this door. I don't know what I opened, but yeah, well, it worked. I got out too. But anyway, we are on top of the ship on deck 6, where the suites are. And this is actually really, really nice. So tomorrow morning we're gonna do the Fengdu Ghost City. I'm really looking forward for that. Cableway, definitely gonna put 21 for that, or 35 for the round trip. Very, very nice. Audio device should be in the cabin somewhere. The audio device, you found it? Oh, perfect. Fee has it already. Can you show us what that is? This is apparently for the tours. It's the one you put in your ear.
We're missing one.
So you're getting all the information. You just make sure it's charged. So, and the very cool thing is actually, I have to say, as a VIP guest on this ship, you get the WeChat of your personal assistant, which is what was her name again? Winnie. My God, like Winnie the Pooh. She sent me a picture of Winnie the Pooh. This is how far the memory goes. And Winnie said anything, just send her a message. She fixes. This is almost like when we do the MSC yacht club. This is like the butler service. This is what she's doing for us. So basically, she's gonna come to attend to our needs. Really nice. Just send a message and you're in. Well, if you want to see a happy child, this is how it looks. Oh my gosh, she actually really snuggled into her bed. Don't get me wrong, it's daytime. It's only 4:30 now. It's not to sleep or something. It's just so cozy. I mean, the whole thing. I don't know. I think we have to go in to see how cozy that place actually is. I mean, this is this own little thing she's got there. This is really, really, really nice. Oh my God. Wow. Nice. So, and I wanted to show you something else. Also, the water itself is Aqua di Panna. Good brands all over the place. Charlie T's, okay, doesn't tell me anything. But here in the bathroom, all the amenities are L'Occitane. This is not any cheap stuff you get here, my friends. This is actually really very, very nice. And there is the kid stuff. Toothbrush. But that is Emotion, must be the hand soap for kiddos. Then we have shampoo and body wash for the small ones. Wow, even here the small amenities. L'Occitane here as well. That is nice. Very, very nice. What else do we have? We have slippers for the kiddos, of course, the funny ones. We have no bad. We don't use that. Not on vacation. Absolutely not. And yes, then you get this little thing here around your neck. Where's your card, the gold card, and the name and stuff like that on it. And here we have, I would say, plugs, all kind of sizes, 2 of them. Perfect. Some water in the bathroom as well to brush your teeth, I would assume, if you don't want to use the potable water, which might actually make sense on a ship. Alright, now we're gonna just relax a bit, enjoy. Soon we're gonna take a walk and have a look at the ship. Right, Mommy? You happy?
Yes.
Good. So continue with the room tour. This is your phone. You have some chargers, outlets on the bed, both sides. You also have a watch there, remote for the TV, reading lights, of course. Here, the normal bed lamps, blackout curtains is here. I can tell you this has a standard which is better than many cruise ships I have been on. Let's see. Here is the mini bar, and this is the nice thing. Can you see that? Free drinks in the mini bar. Free drinks! Woohoo! What do they have here? I don't know what it is. Garden. Some kind of beer, water, Coke, and kind of a soda, I guess. So this is included as well. All right. So other fruits and a bottle of wine, I would assume. Otherwise, you would say differently.